Today's video is gonna be a little different. I'm not gonna review any machines that I have in the shop. I'm actually gonna go buy another one. The machines that I have right now are machines I've always wanted. I'm glad I have them. This is my dream setup, but I'm really missing an embroidery machine. Like, that's something I really wanted to add to the shop. And today's the day, man. I'm gonna grab some money out of my safe. I'm gonna go shop. Hopefully we can find one, because y'all know how it is. When you want something specific, you can never find it. I'm probably gonna have to order online, but I'm hoping I can find one. I'm gonna try Joann's. And someone told me there's like a Singer center that sells embroidery machines or sewing machines. So hopefully they got something. But if we find it, it's coming home with us today. If not, we'll probably have to wait and order online. But this is for sure happening. I need one. I'm gonna get it, whatever it takes. So let's hit the road. Let's go shopping. So pulling up to Joann's. I'm sure they should have some embroidery machines here. I mean, it's a craft store. I'm gonna see what I can find. I think these are sewing machines. This one looks like an embroidery. A Viking. Kind of basic. The only thing bad about this is you can't really do hats in there. And that hoop looks kind of little. Man, they got no prices. This one goes for 800 bucks. I just asked them. But you can only do flat things. You can't put nothing like a shirt or nothing in here. It won't work. It's meant for like quilts and stuff. This one's big. Here in the crocodile. Man, if you use these, don't do it. That's just a recipe for peeling off. I know many people have used those and then they wonder why they wash their clothes and then it's just falling off. What the fuck is this? What the hell? 180? They tripping. They only had one machine and it was a flat bottom, so you can't really do much with it. And that thing was 800 bucks, so I can only imagine how much the good ones are. But anyways, I'm gonna go to the next store and see what they got there. Hopefully we can buy one today. And they got all types of machines. So they got basic sewing machines. These are all sewing machines. I think these are the embroidery ones. And this one's huge. $12,000. They got all the hoops to embroider different sizes, but that's the one I really need to make hats. So all these small machines are cool, but I want to be able to make hats. So if you have a flat bottom, I don't think you can use one of those. And if you do, it's going to be really weird. So the only option I have is to buy something on the back wall. Let's check out the prices. Almost $8,000. $13,000. Jesus Christ. That one's $15,000. Alright guys, we're back here at the shop. I went to two different stores. Those are probably the only two stores that sell embroidery machines. So Joann's only had one option. It was an $800 machine. And I had a pretty decent sized hoop. I think it was a 5x7. but you can't really do much with it because it's a flat bottom. So the way embroidery works is the stitch goes into the fabric and it comes back out to the bottom, whatever, it just does like a stitch. So when you put a shirt on it, it'll stitch the front, it'll actually catch the back of the shirt. So if you did want to put a shirt, you would have to hoop the front and get the back of the shirt and just wrap it around and do some weird shit. So it's not even worth it to me. And plus I want to do hats and shit, so I can't do a flat bottom. I need something that you can put a hat driver on it. So every time there's a hat, it'll actually turn. And those flat bottoms, you can't do that shit. And then I went to the Singer store and they have way more options. They have more sewing machines than anything. But most of the embroidery machines, they were all flat bottoms as well. I think what those are used for is when you're making like quilts or you're making shit from scratch. So you're able to embroider it and then you go and stitch up all the edges and turn it into a bag or whatever the case may be. So in the back of the store, they had 3 options. Those were the open bottoms. So what that means is it has an opening in the middle. So you're able to put a purse in there and it'll hang on the bottom part in the center. You can put shirts in there. You just have more space in the center. That way, you know, you can put larger materials. And those take the hat drivers. So with that open bottom, that's where the hat turns and spins. And they only had 3 of them bitches. So the flat ones are out of the question. So the last 3 that actually will work for my shop was 8,000, I think 12,000 or some shit, 15,000. I can't remember the prices, but I don't know if I'm ready to spend that kind of money. I got some money out of my safe, but fuck, I didn't think it was gonna be that expensive. So I'm gonna think about it tonight. You know, if it makes sense, I'll probably go get it tomorrow. One of those 3. But y'all let me know if y'all think it's worth it. Would y'all spend that type of money just to be able to offer hats, shirts, and possibly like, I guess belts, and I don't know what else I can make with it. But I don't know, man, I'm gonna have to sleep on this one. I hope I didn't waste y'all time by watching all this. I mean, I took y'all shopping with me. I mean, I've never looked into buying one. I knew I always wanted one. I didn't know how much they cost. So fuck. Y'all let me know what y'all think I should do. Y'all think I should buy it? Y'all think it's worth it? Or y'all think I should just push it to the side and just keep making money and then we'll come back when it's time? But anyways, that's it for the video, guys. Sorry we didn't come home with it today. Stay tuned, I got some more videos planned. I got some more cool projects. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys on the next video.